Hello guys, so this video is recorded from my dashcam, which is in particularly the emergency videos captured during my drive. And this is the route from Nyoma to Manali and Manali to Mandi. We came across multiple locations where we had a cloudburst, landslides, water crossings, and yeah, this is the dash cam recorded video of my car, and you could see that how the road conditions were there at Puga, especially Puga region was impacted a lot. So we left early morning from Nyoma at around 5:30. We woke up and we left Nyoma so that we could reach Manali, and even if we can cross Manali, then it would be, we thought it would be nice, because in Manali there were lots of landslide happening and road closures. So we just wanted to cross all the hill areas and cross the Mandi, and after Mandi there is no landslides happening and the road blockage happening. So we left early at around 5:36. We left, and in the in the Leh to Manali highway, we took a left turn so that we can go via Puga, Sumdo. So this video shows like the cloudburst happened, and also the water crossing we came across, and it was really a difficult terrain, and it was early morning time, and we had no one coming in opposite direction or coming behind us, so we had to make the decision alone. So yeah, it was really tough, but somehow we were able to manage and cross Manali by evening time, and we left Manali by evening 4 5, and we reached Mandi at around 10:30. Even though the Manali to Mandi distance is not that far, but due to landslides and road closures, we had to wait in a traffic jam of approximately 2 hours. We were stuck in the traffic jam. Yes, this is the video. I have just uploaded only the emergencies video which was captured, and just enjoy some of the off-roading and also beautiful roads of Nyoma, Sumdo, Puga, Manali and Mandi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.